Hi, this is Valerie with At My Home, and today we're going to check out the ShiftCam SnapGrip Pro. And ShiftCam gave us this for the review. One of the things I really miss about the old-time cameras was the grip, the way it felt when you were holding it, and the little button. I mean, that was just a really natural way to take pictures, at least for me. So what this does is it turns your phone into that same kind of grip. So let's check it out. It's also not only changes your grip, it's got wireless charging. So it's a Qi 2 compatible wireless charger. So it can keep your phone powered up while you're shooting photos or video. A 20-watt battery, charges with USB-C, MagSafe compatible. Also works with Android phones that have the magnetic charging. So here it is. So the SnapGrip Pro for creators by creators. The quick start guide, overview, your ultimate portable studio. All right, here it is. So this is the grip, and just works with your standard camera app on your phone, and it's using Bluetooth to do that. All right, and this is where the MagSafe goes. It charges with USB-C. The charging port's down here. Pair it up with Bluetooth. Here it is. Pair. All right, now it's connected. So I use the camera app. I just took a picture. Right, I can also use it to start video. There it goes. All right, so you can definitely use it like this in portrait mode, but for me, it still doesn't feel as natural as when I turn it around and I put it in landscape mode like that. So that really feels like I've got a real camera. Charge it up and it can be a power bank for your phone, so it keeps you nice and charged. And that's it. That is the SnapGrip Pro from ShiftCam. It's a wireless power bank and a nice little grip to help you take pictures more naturally on your phone. Thank you for watching.